Hi again, it's Alex, and tomorrow I have a property shoot. Tomorrow's shoot isn't video, it's photo, so I go into each property and take both internal and external photos to be used on rental websites. So I thought, as property shoots are kind of the shoots that get me by, that pay the bills, I go through the kit I use on every shoot. So here is all the kit I will be taking with me tomorrow. Not all properties can be well lit like others, so that's why I have to make sure I'm bringing lighting just in case I'm in bathrooms or rooms that don't really have much lighting, and here are some light poles to mount those lights on. The kit I need for these photo shoots is quite basic. All I need is my camera body. I have a 16mm lens here for wide angle room shots and a 35mm lens there for more tight artistic shots. The company I'm doing the work for tomorrow likes more artistic photography. They don't like the typical property photography that you see on every other website. So they want more tight artistic shots showcasing the rooms at hand. The kit that I think that all photographers or videographers or creatives need is one of these bag smart bags. Inside has all the compartments for everything you might need. So right here I have camera batteries, I have a screwdriver that has all different attachments on it, so for screwing on tripods, things like that. Got an adapter for my camera into my laptop, got the light batteries, camera strap in there, and also some lens wipes just right here, which are really important. And then an extra mic thing which isn't needed for this shoot, but you never know, and some more tripod clips. Of course, I don't need all the items in here, but it's always useful to have some of these items just in case something comes up that you don't really expect. Also bringing along my laptop and external hard drive, because you never know on shoots what you might need to do. Especially on property shoots, they like the outside view of the surroundings to be in focus and not washed out. So I always like bringing my laptop along just to make sure that settings on my camera are right, so that in the editing process I can make sure the view from the window still looks good. So there you have it. That was the overview of my equipment for tomorrow's shoot. Of course, I'll be bringing you along, so expect on Friday to see the behind the scenes of this property shoot.